Hi guys, welcome to the video, and this is how the kite is looking like. Show them the sky. Yeah, so I'm just unwinding it. Wait till I get to there.
Bring it in.
Yep, it's full.
Explain how I made it.
Yeah, now soon I'm going to bring this kite in and explain how I made it. As you can see, this kite doesn't have a tail. So, and well, I'll bring it down. Now, let me just pause the video. Okay, so I'm back here. I'm back, guys, and now we're gonna. Now, as you can see here, can you hold this up with me? Now, so you can see.
I just bring it like that first, and then let's see
How
how to
about
cut
you?
it up.
You hold. See this? Now this is how we cut it out. So we fold it in half. Then this is 20 centimeters up, right?
So they're trying
And
to
this is-
explain like they cut it in the square like when it was folded.
So, and then this is 16 centimeters across, and this is 20 centimeters down.
Yep.
And how far away is
20,
this?
20.
And this is 20 centimeters away, and this is 25 centimeters up, right?
Yep.
And over here is 25 centimeters up, and this is 50 centimeters from the
From
bottom.
there to there is 50 centimeters,
Yep.
and 20 centimeters in from the side here. To
Yeah,
this
see
point.
here? It used to be up there, and I put it 20 centimeters away from there.
That's the point.
Okay.
You cut there and cut there.
Okay?
And then,
And then when you got this, and
Jasmine, you're blocking it.
when you got this, and this, when you got the corners, you cut down here, and you cut down here.
So they're
Now,
just
let's
like
unfold
get
it.
the cold in
Now
there
let's
like that.
unfold it. Now, when you're doing this, you must make sure that you're doing with a folded piece of plastic or whatever you have. And as you can see, we just made this out of old pieces that we got it.
Rubbish bag.
Yeah, this is a rubbish bag. And as you can see here, we just got this piece of this. We got a piece off a broken kite to get this metal thing. And we put them together with tape. You can use any tape you like. You don't have to use the type that we use.
We use insulation tape.
So they're trying to say like we use the old kite and use the stuff from it, and that's just the old plastic
And
bag.
I just said that. And we said that.
And
Now we used tape, and we went around and we wrapped around. We used 2 pieces of these. See this? We used one long one that will probably reach up to here, and we used a short one. So we used a long one and a short one.
Take them
The
together.
short one's up to here, and the long one's up to there. And we taped them together because it wouldn't fit right across here.
And then we just put a bit of tape on the end to hold it on. And a tape on the corner. And
Yeah.
we use
Yeah, this is important. If you don't put a tape on the corner, then the plastic will just rip when you put a hole in there. So what happened is we put the tape there to make it stronger and a thicker layer. And the same over here. And when you have this, you broke a little.
Just trying
you
to-
put the tape and then
Came off.
it
Just
rips
wait a
it apart.
second.
So
It
you
won't be
make
all
sure
that
you
long.
put on the tape.
Now, see this? Now, when you do this, you have to tie a knot up here. And when you do, you make it even, and up there you tie a loop like this, as you can see. And then you get this which is just a part.
It's left from an old kite with a little hook on the end.
And
Yeah,
so was that
see
one.
this? But you can use like a fishing rod or whatever you have, or fishing line, whatever you have. Just wind it up, and you attach it like this, and then here, and then can you show them how you need to hold it?
Hmm?
Can you show them how you need to hold
Yeah.
it?
Do you want to show them, Jen, how to hold the kite up? Are you ready to fly? Yeah. You hold it like that with the square at the bottom,
Yep.
and when
And
the
then
wind
you
blows,
need to keep this string fairly stiff and tight. If it's very loose, then it won't fly. And then you let go of that, and the person, and then so if she let goes of that, and I give her a good pull, then that thing will start flying. Then the kite will start flying. Okay? Anyway, bye. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.